having actually done some work. Anyway, let's have a quick look around at before. I said this morning we're going to look at Nvidia, which we will do so. As you can see here, there is a chart of Nvidia at the moment, and as one of the highlights of the week will be their earnings, we're going to look at a bullish and bearish case and run you and show you through the system as to what the best trade to do is. Anyway, but a quick scout across the markets. So we started off a bit bearish this morning on the back of comments by President Trump over the weekend. Then turned around and was more positive on reports coming out of Iran that the concessions would be made and the US agree with them, only to see it all just blown away around midday today when he told the Post that he is not open to any concessions for Tehran after receiving the latest disappointing Iranian response on peace talk deals. So it looks likely that Sulsu recently said it goes additional American strikes Iran is not a question of whether but of when by Israeli news. So yeah, stocks are down. You see the S&P is down around 45 or 0.6%. You know, the AI index. But for us, we've got crude up again. Now not far short of the highs at $3.30 on WTI version, and the bonds and rates are retreating once again. 10-year trading 109.02 now, not too far off the 108.30 overnight low. East SOFR back trading 13R14, increasing the chances of a hike by the end of the year. But we will stay away from the war news to have a quick look at Nvidia. We'll shift pages. Right, so this is our system here. I'm going to show you how we do it. So that if you ever feel the need, and by the way, go to www.leviathanfm.com. You will see at the moment, at least, you can nab a free membership, which will not be the case for much longer. And if anyone does get in now, you will be legacy, so that's how you will remain. Anyway, let's have a look at how it works and what you can do with it. So here, I'm just going to duplicate the one I did like a little bit ago. One of the things to reiterate, we are not looking for the day trade. We're not. I do not put out like day option plays, not all the time anyway, just because it's about your risk versus reward. You know, what if you are doing single day options, it's very binary. You win or you lose. You might as well just go to the racetrack, place a bet, because you're doing the same thing. We are trying to capture trends. So we will look at if you are bullish of Nvidia, it doesn't really matter what the actual results are. The earnings will confirm your view and trend, but it could quite easily go down on good numbers when it comes out and then resume its trend afterwards. If you're doing just short-term plays, you're going to get taken out even though your overall view may have been correct. So I like to look at longer dated stuff